Hello, welcome to the scrapyard. I'm Red. Not much to talk about today. Shop card ad, uh, just some resin printing. Um, let's see, I got this card in from Bama Scale Models. Need to get over and check him out, man. Check out the tractor, man. That thing looks just like the tractor old man used on the farm, man, back home. He's got a real good channel on him, but real nice guy. If you get a chance, get over and check him out. All right. You see, I got a bill plate full of blowers and blower parts. And I got Wyans 671s, different blower drives, and SCOT blowers. Uh, can never have enough. Um, the old time dragster started fighting me. I screwed my engine up, broke the nose off the blower. So I decided to put that back for a while, and I'm going to do something a little simpler. I'm going to do just an out of box build, get through it, see if I can just clear my head with it. I'm thinking I'm going to do this. I've never built this kit. I mean, it's one I've always liked though, since I was a kid. Um, these things you can pick them up cheap, man. I think I get about $12 for this. And original what I bought it for was the Slant 6 engine. But, as you can see, it's in awful yellow plastic. There's that funky camper top, and that really don't go on it. But yeah, I'm just going to build a simple out of box build, nothing extra on it. Just try to get my confidence back. And I get bogged down trying to do detailing and shit. And, I used to be good at that kind of thing, but I'm getting old and I can't see, and my fingers are getting fat. And but I'll get back into it. It's just, like I said, I gotta, I think I'm just gonna do a quick out of box build on that Diora and try to, clear my head a little bit and see if I can get back into the swing of things. Shop cards, man. I got my shop cards. If you want a shop card and uh, while supplies last, one of these pointer tips, man, just send me an email and I'll get one right out to you. Anyway, that's all I got for today. Oh, yeah. While I was looking for the drawer, I found this from this little old stalled build. But I might take another look at this and finish it up. L700 modified to make a rollback out of it. But that's been living in this box here for months now. I just did a little on it and put it to one side. But anyway, like I said, I'm gonna do just a straight out of the box build on something and get it done. I look around, I notice I've got a lot started and nothing finished. So let's see if I can finish something. Anyway, y'all have a good day. Bye.